Welcome everyone to your weekly announcement for 1123. Due tonight is lesson 13, coding from health records assignment. And then upcoming next week we have lesson 14. Now this is an auditing assignment and it's inpatient. The week after we have an auditing assignment also, and that is outpatient. So hopefully your final project has been open. At least get in there and just check it out so you know what to expect here in a couple of weeks. A couple of things to keep in mind: there's no late submission or extensions on this final project. So at least get a good understanding of what is going to need to be done for it. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Everybody have a great Thanksgiving week and enjoy your time off. And I will talk to you all in an announcement next week.